If you've been looking for a new home near the city but feel like you're getting priced out, I may have found a solution for you today. I'm at a new turnkey home at the links of Brunello, and it's got a rough in for an in-law suite already set up in the basement. You're gonna wanna check this one out. All right, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, I'm John Murray, a Halifax Realtor with Keller Williams Select Realty. Now, what we do on my channel is I visit all kinds of new construction homes and new build communities that are going up all around the Halifax regional municipality. So if you're interested in this, thinking about moving, buying, or selling, do me a favor, hit the like, subscribe, and notification buttons so you can stay up to date with what's happening all around these communities. All right, so today I'm at the links of Brunello out here in Timberlea, which is just west of Halifax. Now, if you're unfamiliar with where this is, we're just off exit 3 of the 103. Okay, we're about 10 minutes to the west end of Halifax, 20 minutes to downtown. Add in a little more during like a rush hour period, of course. It is a master plan community that's centered around the links of Brunello Golf Course, which is, if you've ever heard of it, it's one of the finest courses we do have here in the Maritimes. But it's not only a golf community, okay? It does have a bit of a resort-like feel here. There's tennis courts, there's pickleball courts, and one of the biggest attractions coming in that the community's talking about is the new Nordic spa that's being built. Okay, obviously, as you can see, it's winter here. We're in Atlantic Canada, we can't golf year-round. People do use the course for things like cross-country skiing and sledding. There's lots of lakes nearby, there's trails. And one of the things I like is because we are just off the 103, is it's a really quick exit out if you want to go down to the South Shore or do a weekend trip down to Lunenburg or Mahone Bay or any of those activities. You're not going to find much better value this close to the city. It's a really great place. The biggest thing is it is a dense community. The builds are dense. The average lot sizes are only around 1/10 of an acre, but that's the trade-off when you want to be close to the city without paying a fortune. So I'm gonna put the schools for the neighborhood up on the screen here. So if you're interested in those, check them out and reach out with any questions. We're gonna go check out this house. So today behind me, we're gonna be checking out the Haven model by FH Development Group, okay? It's just under 2,400 square feet. It's a 4-bed, 3.5 bath with 1-car garage. It's got a walkout basement with an in-law suite setup. The lot size is just over 1/10 of an acre. The FH does have 4 lots available. This is a model home, so the base price is $769,900, but that's not including some of the upgrades we're gonna see in here, including the appliances, the epoxy garage floors, and the waterfall island in the kitchen. Okay, so I'm gonna put up the 3 other models they have available on the screen here. Okay, so you can see the square footages and the prices. If you have any questions about those models at all, just reach out to me. The Ridge model is actually almost available and ready to go, so I'm gonna be shooting that soon, so you will be able to see it on my channel. The other models, unfortunately, they don't have anything ready to tour, but as they come available, I'm gonna try and get you in. Reach out to me with any questions. As always, shoot me a text. All right, so today we're checking out the Haven model by FH Development Group here in the links of Brunello. As you can see, they have an aggregate concrete driveway. We're gonna go on in the home. Again, this is a 4-bed, 3.5 bath, 1-car garage. All right, so this is actually their model home, so it's on a corner lot. They do have this home and 4 other lots available at the moment. They're not corner lots, but because it's a model home, you're gonna see some upgrades in here that are not gonna be included in the base model, but I'll point those out to you as we go along. You can see a nice front entryway here. I'm gonna go on inside and take my shoes off. See nice open space as you come in. Dedicated place to sit down, put your shoes on. So if you're old like me, you'd appreciate that. Lots of cupboard space. Okay. Now, also, they have a nice big coat closet here, right when you come in. I'm gonna back up just so you can see for contrast. I love the glass door. It allows in a lot of extra natural light. The home is very, very well thought out, as you're gonna see. So yeah, let's go through. So as we walk in, you're gonna have your garage door here, okay? I'm just gonna show you a little peek inside. Remember, this is their model home. So you can see here, they have the epoxy flooring in. So this is actually an upgrade. I believe it's just under $2,000. I think it's $1,990. So this wouldn't be included in a base model unless you wanted to add it in. Okay guys, this home is also on municipal services. Okay, so no worries about well or septic, of course. You're gonna see in the entryway here and also in the bathrooms, we have ceramic tile flooring. And then on the main level here is engineered hardwood, and hardwood going up the stairs as well. Okay, so to the left here is your powder room. Okay, I always like to have one bathroom on the main level. So we enter into kind of our living room, dining room, and kitchen. Okay, nice open space, as you can see. Okay, I'm just gonna give you a minute. You can look around. So lots of windows, lots of light. There's an electric fireplace there. Okay. Big back deck. I'm not going to go out and open the slider doors today, obviously, because of the snow. It is winter here in Nova Scotia, but you can see it's quite substantial with a privacy wall. Nice open space for the kitchen. Now these appliances are not included in the base price, okay? They do have an appliance package. It's just under $9,000 for the stainless steel appliances, but they wouldn't come in the standard model. This is a model home. Also, pay attention if you look at the waterfall on the island here, that's also not included in the base price. So I believe the waterfall, if you wanted it, would be $3,200. Okay, does look great. Nice tile backsplash here in the kitchen. These are quartz countertops. So as I talked about outside, you can see here we are in phases 8 and 9 of Brunello Estates here. So these models here, we're here on the corner. These models here are also the Haven model available, okay? You can see some of their other models there. Now here they have what they're calling a Butler's Pantry, okay? I like it as a prep room as well. Lots of cupboard space, space for food, and of course the extra sink, which is very valuable. Somebody wants to be out here washing vegetables or so on and so forth. Now, if you're watching this and you are interested in new build homes, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'd be honored to take you for a tour, whether it's this home or any other of the builders that I go and see. Just remember, I do not have a relationship with the builders. I would be representing you. I'm able to get in these homes and get tours because I have great relationships with the building agents. So if you already have a realtor, that's cool too. Bring them along. But as always, you can reach out and I'd be honored to take you through. So let's go downstairs. So right at the bottom of the stairs here is your utility room. Okay, there's your ducted heat pump. That's gonna force electric air through your home. Okay, it's all in one system. You have your air exchanger to cycle air and your hot water tank. So it's nice and neat and tight. You see in some homes, they have this big giant utility area and it's just wasting space, but here they've been smart and limited it to a very small space. So here's your basement. Now you could either use this as a rec room for your family if you got kids, or maybe you have a teenager that kind of wants their own space. But if you did want to take advantage and put an in-law suite in here, it is plumbed for a wet bar over in the corner here. okay? Now, if you wanted them to put cabinets in and cupboards down here, I think it's a little, just over $4,200, okay? As an addition. They haven't done it here, but you can see where the plumbing is. There is a full bath down here, okay, 4-piece. See, we've got a big linen closet here too. And the additional bedroom. Plenty of space. You'd probably want a double bed in here. You could do a queen coming this way. You would run out of a bit of space, but there's more than enough room for it. And a good sized closet. Lots of storage under the stairs. And in here, they have roughed in for laundry. So yeah, you've got all the makings of what you would need for an in-law suite, along with the walkout door there, if that's what you're interested in, or just use it for your family if you've got enough humans here that need the space. Okay, we're gonna go back upstairs. Okay, let's go back up. Again, hardwood stairs. There is also a built-in audio system in the kitchen here, okay? I like to play music while you're entertaining. And look how bright it is. It's a Sunday morning right before noon here. So I believe we're pointing northeast from out the front of the house, and that would be the same for the other models here. But if you're seeing this video and it's a little bit early, Brunello has a lot of phases planned. Reach out to me. Of course, we can, if you do like this model, I can see what's available for you down the road and we can get planning. So here, what I really like about this is the stairs are very wide. So it's gonna make it easy to move in your furniture as you come up. It's very well thought out. Turn the corner. Your primary is going to be there. We're going to finish in there, okay? You've got your laundry up here, which is convenient. You're not walking up and down stairs to lug clothes and hampers. Okay, lots of space. Nice and neat. Again, washer and dryer would not be included, okay? They're not involved in the base price. Okay, we have a second bedroom here. See for space. Just gonna tuck myself over here. You can see out the window. You can see people cross-country skiing over there. I'm not sure if you can tell. So when the golf course is obviously used in the summertime, you can see people that use it for sledding, cross-country skiing, and everything in this neighborhood. So it's not just a golf community. Closets. Again, nice and bright. Third bedroom's right here, okay. And if you're looking for the dimensions of these rooms, guys, just do me a favor, reach out to me. You can text me, it's fine. I'll look into it and I'll make sure I send you the floor plans, okay? Or you can always give me a call. Just mention who you are, how you found me. Well, I do get a lot of spam calls being in my industry, but if you shoot me a text, that's probably best. So I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Okay. There's even a little like bookshelf here tucked in this corner. It's kind of cool. Big wide windows in this room too. Tons of light. You can see there, more houses are going up, right? They're still in these phases, so. Your full bath is right here, just off the second and third bedrooms. Okay, it's another 4-piece. And your linen closet is also right next door. Okay, let's finish up the tour in the primary bedroom, because I know that's what you've been waiting to see. All right. Come on in, it's nice and wide. Nice big windows over here. Tons of space. Now I believe this is a queen size bed just for distance, okay? I'm gonna just come back here. So you can see you could easily put a king in here and have tons of space for bedside tables. If you needed a dresser, that would be no issue. Okay, we've got a beautiful ensuite bathroom we're gonna finish off in a minute, but come look at this walk-in closet. It is gigantic. And it even wraps around. This is one of the bigger walk-in closets I've seen in these style homes here in the community. So tons and tons of space for both people to have their clothing, obviously. So real bonus in my opinion. Okay, lastly, we have double vanity here in this ensuite. Nice soaker tub with the marble tile running all the way through the shower. Okay, it's consistent with the flooring, which is a nice touch. I like when builders have attention to detail like that. They keep things the same. Your toilet's tucked away here. And yeah, all right, kid, that's pretty much it for the Haven model. So if you're interested in seeing this in person, just reach out to me, or if you want to see some of the other models by the FH Development Group or the other builders here in the Timberlea community, I will be showing them as they come available. And if this isn't necessarily in your budget, I always work with resale as well, so we can find you something that's in the community that's a little more in your budget range if this isn't. So hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one.